What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to show you how. And guys, today what I'm basically doing is combining all of my PS4 overheating fixes video, and today is going to be a new video included for the first tutorial, so make sure you pay close attention to each and every single tutorial in this combination. Alright, so since we're starting on with this new tutorial, what you must do is go to your settings, and it does not matter which account you use on your PlayStation. And once you go to your settings, you want to go to sound and screen, click on that, and you want to go to video output settings, click on that. And now what you want to do is turn down your resolution. If your resolution is on automatic or very high, so very high would be like 1080p or 1080i. So what I recommend you do is try 720 first, and if it still is overheating, you want to go down to 480. But I just keep mine on automatic because mine doesn't overheat as much as I use the other methods from my other tutorials. And you can also, if you have HDR or deep color output on, you want to make sure you turn both of those off. And yeah, you can turn your RGB range to limited, so it won't be using the RGB as much on the range. And once you do all three of those, that should work for you. And this should fix your PS4 overheating fix. Just make sure you go through each one. So like I said, if 720 is still overheating, you want to go down to 480, and then it should work by then. So yeah, that's basically the end of this tutorial. Now let's go ahead and head over to the other tutorials. What you basically need to do is clear out some of the stuff on your PS4 because the stuff in the background is slowing down your PS4. So what you want to do is go to your settings like I'm on right now and go down until you see storage and wait till it calculates. Alright, so click on X and you see all this right here. You want to delete the applications, capture gallery, or anything else that you're not using. So delete everything that you're not using on there. Alright, so once you do that, what I want you to do is go down to system, click on that, and now what I want you to do is click on automatic downloads, and I want you to turn, you see these might be on for you, I want you to turn all of these off. So basically when you play a game, you know how your PS4 overheats, you won't have anything running in the background, because sometimes when you're playing a game you may not see the notification, but you have applications running in the background which is downloading, and you don't want that. So let's say for instance you went to play a game, right? Let's say for instance I went to play Fortnite or something. When I click on the game, it's going to automatically tell me to update it. But if I'm off the game and I have those check marks on, it's going to update it. But you don't want that because it's going to overheat your PS4. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is make sure you're in your settings again, and you want to go to accessibility. And I want you to check all of these off. You do not need any of these. You don't need zoom, you don't need large text or nothing. Check all of those off because those are tremendously going to slow your PlayStation down. So make sure you have all of those off. But last but not least, what you want to do is you want to go to notifications, right? And you know how you you get a notification on your phone, right? And sometimes it lags you while you you playing a game on your phone, it lags. It's the same way on your PlayStation. When you get a notification, your PlayStation may lag and it may up the heat on the PlayStation. So what you want to do is you want to disable all your notifications on there. You do not want these notifications on because they're going to slow your PS4 down and they're going to overheat it. And you can turn these off too right here on display pop-up. Disable all of these. You do not need these. If you want to manually do it, all you have to do is go to this right here and you can look at all your notifications and everything. Okay, so this shouldn't take you very long to do, but what you need to have is your PS4, of course, and you need to get like a straw. It does not matter. You can get like the clear straw, the white straw. It does not matter. Or you can use a can of air if you have some, but I know most people that's watching this video don't have a can of air. And you're also going to need 2 Q-tips, and you just want to wet them with water on both ends. What you're going to do once you have those, you want to get your PS4, and you see all this dust right here. Let me show you if you can actually see it. Let's get a better light. Come there. If you can see it, 1 minute. If you see all that dust right here, you see all that dust? You have dust all around your PS4. What you're going to want to do is you want to get the straw. You want to blow in like a horizontal line. So you want to get your PS4, right? And you see, so it's dust right here, right there in like the crack. What you want to do is put your straw like this, like right there, and you want to begin to blow. Like go through this, start right here, start right there. So let's do it right now. And then as you continue to blow, what you can do is get the straw and use this end and just swipe the rest of that stuff off. Just swipe it off. You see how this is coming off? I don't know, the lighting kind of bad in here, but you see right there? You just want to swipe that off as you continue to blow. But just go around it, the whole area, and just keep continuing to blow. And once you do that, that should get it. Just make sure, like I said, to just swipe all the stuff that you blew out. You just want to swipe it. So basically, while we're blowing horizontally is because we want to blow the air outwards instead of down. If we blow like downwards, it's going to continue to go into the PS4. You don't want that to happen. Okay, so now what you can do is you can get your Q-tips and you can just begin to just wipe like the excess dust off your PlayStation. So just wipe it off. Get as much as you can off with the 2 Q-tips. But if you need more, just go ahead and use more. So that should be enough of how you fix your overheating PS4. It should work for you guys. Just make sure you follow all the steps, and your PS4 should not overheat as much or at a minimum. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll be back to show you how. They told me it was never gonna end. I'm at the top, never descend. Calling my name is going. Know that my freestyles be flowing. Look at the girl, she be frontin'. Won't come back till I throw some hundreds. Throw the racks and I tell her.